Remember Workhorse? It completed its merger with Motive Electric Trucks to create a new force within the medium-duty electric vehicle market worth around $23 billion. The combined entity will continue operating under the Workhorse name, focusing on zero-emission trucks and buses. The merger was supported by Workhorse shareholders and gives Workhorse scalable manufacturing capabilities, advanced products, and an established customer base, including 10 of the largest commercial truck fleets in North America. The transaction also brings new financing, including up to $50 million in debt capacity, which will improve liquidity and support growth by reducing delivery times and funding supply chain costs. CEO Scott Griffith emphasized the company's software-first approach to electric trucks, which are designed to be powerful, cost-efficient, and environmentally friendly. Workhorse aims to drive profitable growth by producing high-quality vehicles, expanding its commercial fleet relationships, and leveraging its in-house manufacturing capabilities. The company's Indiana facility can produce 5,200 vehicles annually, supporting its ambitious production goals without significant new capital expenditures. In addition to leveraging its manufacturing base, Workhorse benefits from real-world testing through its Stables project, which gathers valuable data on electric and gas step vans used in real-world operations. This feedback helps refine Workhorse's designs, improving vehicle performance, range, and durability. Headquartered near Detroit, Michigan, Workhorse will continue operations at its 436,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Union City, Indiana, and maintain a presence in Ohio and California. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.